we're making a tower with magnetic tiles. So do what I am doing. So like this, a house. Basically, I'm not making an worm. I'm making an building. I told you in the start. This doesn't look like the building right now, but just you wait and see. I'm just going to complete it, and there's no like disturbance because you might know the whole base of the building. So this is our out base. Now this is going to be the in base. So it's going to turn into a circle as you see, but that's I'm not posting them higher and higher. That will be very destructive, and these ones won't be there. So we need all of these. You just don't see it right now. You will see that part after some time. Just give it time, wait for it, and you're done. So basically I'm going to fill this area. I don't know like how I do it, but I know I could do it. So you should not get this shape like this. You're basically making an triangle in the top. It's gonna be like a triangle. No matter what side it looks like, if it's like tilted a little, that doesn't matter. What it matters is on the shape and the building. Like if I made a random thing, if I just kept like ooh, I had a lot of practice to make this. If I was I could do it and just started it, it could have been a disaster when I could had started. Not started. It could have been a disaster of building the actual building. You see these pieces here, these ones, they could make a square. It's almost like magic. You need this correct square because they are stretched out to make a square. Oopsies, we had done a mistake. So now you keep it like this. Oh, you actually should not keep it like that, but start doing it like this. So we are making it tall, and how to end it. So now we have 3. If you don't have enough of the squares, just end it like this. See, just keep it out when you ran out of these. And so like that, you can make a design over here. You can make a little entrance, many entrances, you can say. Yep. Basically, this is how you have to make it. Let's turn a little here. Don't dribble it and just keep things over here for balance. Just like that, keep going. You can make how many ever entrances you want. I'm gonna make like 4 and done.